Hello guys, hello everybody. In this video, I want to quickly talk about Kamina Finance. It is a token launched today and I just bought it 30 minutes ago and decided quickly share with you because I think it's a lifetime opportunity to buy this token at such a low price, and solid project launching in such a worst days. It's a big opportunity. I think if you open your portfolio already, you know what I'm talking about. So in this video, I want to share with you my opinion on why this project is solid enough, what potential it could be in, I don't know, half a year. I'm personally expecting around 10x from this investment. And yeah, I want to compare the market caps, show you the tokenomics, and always happy to hear back from you in the comments because your opinion is also valuable. Maybe you could share something with me as well. So first of all, if you are not familiar with Kamina Finance, it is Solana multi-function DEX, lending, liquidity, leverage, and yes, if you look to DeFi Llama, to Solana protocols, we could check the TVLs here, and you could see that Kamina is actually number 3 in different protocols ranking by TVL, and for now it's $1 billion. 1 month ago, it was $1.3 billion locked in this only this protocol, which is huge and insane amount of money. And this project at the same time now worth $40 million. You see that the whole project market cap now in such a tiny market cap, which is insane. It is 2,400 something place in the market cap, and I think it is extremely undervalued. So I want to actually talk about the tokenomics, explaining why for now it's 40 million. And yeah, you know, maybe if you are not usually looking into market caps and you don't understand, is it a good enough, small or big, and in token 2049 I met the guys who are doing DEX in base, and their market cap is about 8 million, which is good enough, but it's pretty close to Kamino Finance. But those guys are doing very small projects. They don't have much experience. Their TVL is about same, maybe also 8 million, and those guys have $1 billion locked, and it's uncomparable, I would say. For now, it's 1 billion tokens unlocked, and this is something we could check in their documents. I will put the links in the description. So total supply is about 10 billion, and initial estimated supply is 1 billion. And if we check the current prices, yeah, we could say that fully diluted market cap will be 400 million, and current is only 40, uncomparable. You know, if you look at JITO market cap, now it's 10 times more almost, and I think it is something we could expect from Kamina Finance. Of course, we could also look at Jupiter. It's 1.3 billion with this dump, but huge expectations coming. And you know, if yeah, many people looking at the Western schedule as well, which is understandable. And we could see that they say here that core contributors and key stakeholders, advisors, tokens will be locked, and it will be locked for 1 year. And the percent of those tokens is huge. So core contributors 20% and 35% for key stakeholders. So half of supply is locked. 10% went to liquidity. It's other 35% for grants. So it's not like day one unlocked, I would say. And yeah, I think it's kind of a good vesting schedule, and we don't need to worry about this as well. And also why I think this project has potential, you know, when it was the pre-market, when you could buy the tokens before it's officially launched, normally the price of OTC is pretty much the same, maybe even the same, equal what we see once the project is launched, because it's pretty much the same. It's people selling, people buying, and it normally matches. And here you see that price was about 0.13 cents. Now it's like 4 times less, which is something we could expect in the opposite direction once the market is a bit in a different phase, maybe in like 2 days, 3 days. So this is the opportunity I'm personally expecting. I don't say I will sell all the tokens when I see that it's back to 13 cents, but I think that the opportunity is crazy good, and I will take an advantage of it 100%. So I already bought a kind of good amount for me, $1.5K. I hope it will perform very well. And you could also, I bought it on Bybit. I will put my link in the description. It will be affiliate link, so I will be very happy if you use it and register on exchange using it. And I will also put the link for Kamina, Linktree, all those links to learn more before investing. It's all the time best to research and then make some investments. I know that people don't do it sometimes, but please do it. So everything will be here. And also at the end, I want to share with you that I'm doing a giveaway for 3 Telegram premium subscriptions, 6 months in my Telegram channel. The only you need to do is to be a subscriber. I will put the link in the description in case you want to be part of these giveaway prices. And it is everything I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.